Hi everyone, this is Rajesh and welcome to my YouTube channel Confidence in English with Raj. Today I have a very something important to share. I believe it will really help you to grow yourself big time in learning English. You must be having the idea that what I said in my earlier videos. In one of my videos I told you about that if you want to learn really fast English, then the very first thing that you have to do is you have to find out your purpose. And once you have figured out your purpose, then only your journey will start. So if you have figured out your purpose, then your journey starts from today itself. It means the day you have figured out your why, from that day onwards your journey starts. The very first tips that I had shared with all of you, that you have to start reading, correct? And whenever you are going to start reading, you will figure out a lot of words which are having no meaning for you. It means that you really figure out that these are the meanings whose meaning I don't know, correct? So you always look for some kind of dictionary from where you can figure it out, and that stops your flows. So the very first tips that I'm sharing here on the spot is that you don't have to stop to understand the meaning of the sentence. Just highlight those words. If you cannot highlight, then you just note it down somewhere in your notebook. Then what are the next thing that you need to do at the end of the day, or at the end of the when you are done with the reading of the books or newspaper or magazine or whatever you are confident with, correct? So what are the things that you need to do? Here I am going to show you certain examples which will really help you practically, because in my prior videos I have just given you an idea, I have just shared you my experience, but I didn't give you a practical example. So I thought that if I'm not giving you the practical examples, it could be that you are taking it otherwise. You are taking it in your own way. So I thought, why not I share the way I have learned the English. That's the reason I have created this video, and I hope it will really help you. I'm going to take very simple words, because I know there could be many people who are quite beginners. There could be many people who are in the intermediate, and there are the people who want to become the expert one. But the kind of word that I'm going to share with you, it will really help you to understand that even if you want to communicate well by using some good words, some unique words, then certainly it will help you there as well, because it's a way of doing. You can say that it's a template, right? Where you will learn how to fit in the words. The very first word that I have selected for you is ability. You must be knowing it's a very simple word, and you must have understood the meaning of it. But when you are a beginner, this is a word which is very difficult for you to understand, and you must be trying to figure out what exactly is the meaning of ability in your dictionary. So what you have to do it, as I told you in my prior videos, that you have to note it down in your diary or in your notebook. Then what next? Now you have to write down few sentences where ability is being used. What are the kind of sentences? I'm giving you few examples. The very first sentence could be, I trust his ability. Means you can understand. I trust his ability means I know that he will certainly do this work. There is no doubt at all. Second thing, or second sentences. Here I have used I trust his ability. You can say I don't trust his ability, because in the past he has not done anything by which it shows that he's capable of doing something great. So here you can utilize the same word but in a different sentences. There are a couple of more sentences which I want to illustrate for you. What it could be, I believe in his ability. There could be certain more words, that I know that he's the person who can run a business. Then what are the sentences that I can say here? That I believe on his ability to run a business, because he's the kind of person who cares money, right? This way I have got a confidence that I know, or I have a trust on his ability that he will run a business, he will manage a business. There are a couple of more sentences that I can add on. One sentence could be, cats have the ability to see in the dark. He is having the ability to read faster. He has developed the kind of ability by which he can speak 5 languages. So these are the kind of sentences that you have to start creating by yourself. Obviously, you have to think here a lot, but this way you will create your own sentences. And you know, these are the sentences which you can use while speaking, while writing. And because you have designed this kind of sentences, then obviously it is in your subconscious mind. And when your words is in your mind, then obviously the kind of problem that many people have talked about, ki Rajesh, what happens when I try to speak, I just lost my word doesn't come up, because actually you didn't practice it a lot. When you will practice it this way, then forget that when you need to remember something. I'm going to give you one more examples of a word, so that this way you can create your own notebook. Authority. You know, this is also a very simple word, but what are the places where you can use this word? What I used to do, I used to write down in a notebook, authority. Then what are the words, or what are the sentences, what are the places where I can use this word? So let me share some examples where I can use those words. He has no authority to do this work. You got it? He has no authority to do this work. Instead of he, you can say, you have no authority to do this work. Instead of you, who said he has the authority to do this work? I am saying that he is having the authority to do this work. Doesn't matter who says what, he is having the authority to do this work. So see, there are so many sentences that you can form, and you will love. Why? Because you have created this kind of sentences. And when you will create this kind of sentences, then obviously while speaking, this will come automatically. Let me share a couple of more examples of sentences. You know very well that the same word is having different meaning in different sentences. As I told you, authority means who has given him the authority to do this work. The meaning is different. Now I am giving you another example where authority is having different meaning altogether. I am having the authority in English. He is having the authority in mathematics. My father is having the authority in homeopathy. My uncle is in the authority of this area. So there are so many sentences that you can form. And when you will start forming this kind of sentences, you will feel great confidence in English. So just I wanted to share a couple of examples, so that in the past where I just shared in verbal, I thought why not to share by giving you a couple of examples, so that you can start practicing it the way I have told you, so that it will help you to learn and grow yourself big time. Thank you for watching this so far, and I hope it has made, I know it has really helped you a lot. And if it has really helped you, then subscribe to it and press the bell icon and wait for my next videos, where I'm going to share some more tips and tricks which will really help you to grow big time.